Today we have an exciting topic to jump into: the science of bone broth and its amazing health benefits. Bone broth has been cherished for centuries for its rich flavor and healing properties. Did you know there's a scientific foundation behind its popularity? We're going to uncover the secrets behind this powerful elixir of health and wellness. We'll dig into the basics of bone broth and explore the power of collagen protein. We'll discuss hidden gems of peptides and why bone broth is a great source for boosting collagen at any age. Then we'll touch on the role of fasting. But before we get started, welcome to Do Remedy Do Cure, and make sure to subscribe for tips to enhance your holistic health and well-being. All information we share here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is in no way meant to be a substitute for medical advice. And keep watching all the way through, because we're going to share some information about collagen-rich foods aside from bone broth. We're even going to tell you how to make your own bone broth at home. So grab your favorite mug and let's explore the world of this ancient superfood together. First things first, let's talk about what bone broth is and how it's made. Bone broth is a savory liquid made by boiling animal bones, often with vegetables and herbs, for a long period of time. The bones can release a variety of minerals and chemicals that are healthy for our bodies thanks to its lengthy cooking process. Collagen is one of the main ingredients in bone broth. Our bones, skin, tendons, and ligaments all contain the protein called collagen. When you simmer bones in water, collagen breaks down into gelatin, which gives bone broth its unique texture. But why is collagen so unique? Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, and it's essential for the functioning of our connective tissue. It acts as the glue that ties everything together. However, as we age, our collagen production gradually drops, resulting in aging symptoms and stiff joints. We can provide our bodies with a rich source of collagen protein by consuming bone broth. Collagen has been linked to a slew of health advantages. It can be beneficial to joint health, skin elasticity, digestive health, and even hair and nail health. So the next time you sip on a warm cup of bone broth, remember that you're nourishing your body from within. When we consume collagen-rich foods or supplements, our bodies convert them into easily absorbed bioavailable peptides. According to research, these collagen peptides have various advantages. They may promote healthy hair and nails, aid in muscle rehabilitation, improve bone and joint health, and even contribute to general skin health. Collagen peptides are small powerhouses that can improve our health. All right, let's talk about fasting and switch gears for a moment. Intermittent fasting and its different variations, such as 16/8, fat fasting, and alternative day fasting, has gained significant attention in recent years for its possible health benefits. These range from weight management to cellular rejuvenation. But how does bone broth fit into the fasting equation? While conventional fasting typically involves abstaining from all food and beverages, some people choose to include bone broth in their fasting routine. The reason why is that bone broth is rich in nutrients but low in calories. By sipping on bone broth during a fast, you can still supply your body with the minerals and essential amino acids it needs without disrupting the fasting state. However, it's important to note that the effects of fasting vary from person to person. Some people may find that including bone broth into their fasting routines helps them feel more satiated and supports their general health and well-being, while others may prefer a restrictive water-only fast. If you're considering incorporating bone broth into your fasting routine, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to confirm that it aligns with your specific needs and goals. Now that we've covered the science and advantages of bone broth, let's talk about how you can make it at home. Making bone broth can be a simple, cost-effective, and rewarding process. To begin, start by collecting high-quality bones from ideally organic, grass-fed, and finished sources. Many grocery stores now sell beef bones in their butcher and meat sections. Also, you can repurpose bones from a bone and roast from a previous dinner that you made, or save the bones from a steak dinner at a restaurant. But you're not limited to only using beef bones to make bone broth. You can use beef, chicken, or even fish bones, each with its own distinctive flavor profile. The next step would be to add your favorite herbs and vegetables for additional nutrients and taste. Some popular additions include onions, garlic, carrots, celery, and herbs like bay leaves and thyme. Once you have all the ingredients organized, place them in a large stock pot and cover with water. Bring the mixture to a boil and then reduce the heat for a gentle simmer. Let it simmer for several hours, preferably at least 8 to 12 hours, allowing the flavors to fuse together and the bones to release their potent beneficial nutrients. Finally, strain the bone broth through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer to remove any solids. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Then pour into freezer storage bags, containers, and ice cube trays to keep in the fridge or freezer for future use. You can use bone broth as a base for soups and stews, or simply enjoy it on its own as a soothing and nutritious beverage. However, you're not limited to bone broth as the only source for collagen production. Here are some additional collagen-rich foods that may help boost collagen creation in the body. Chicken. Chicken is a popular option because of its high amount of collagen in its connective tissue. Egg whites. Egg whites include huge quantities of amino acids that contribute to collagen production. Fish. It's said that fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines have their highest concentration of collagen in the skin, head, and even the eyeballs. Vegetables. Kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, green, yellow, and red bell peppers. Oranges. Because they are a citrus fruit with high intensity of vitamin C. Berries. Berries also have a high level of vitamin C, which helps with collagen production, from strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries to blueberries. Nuts and seeds, like pumpkin, chia, and hemp seeds, or cashews and pistachios. When it comes to supplements, the reality is that your body automatically produces collagen using the amino acids from any proteins you consume, so you don't really need to take supplements. However, certain research indicates that consuming collagen supplements may increase its production and provide special advantages. When collagen supplements are taken appropriately, in right amounts, and in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, they can have several health advantages, including a notable improvement in support and suppleness of tendons, cartilage, joints, and ligaments. Are you ready to discover 10 amazing health tips related to bone broth and collagen? All right, because we're going to explore the importance of incorporating bone broth into your daily routine and the benefits it can offer. Get ready to sip your way to a healthier you. 1. Incorporate bone broth into your daily routine. Bone broth is a healthy food that may be consumed on a regular basis. Its abundant nutritional profile, which includes collagen, can promote general health and well-being. 2. Choose homemade bone broth. Although there's a lot of store options available, preparing your own bone broth gives you more control over the quality and the components, and it ensures that you get the most nutrients possible. Additionally, it's tasty and satisfying to make it on your own. 3. Select premium bones. To produce the healthiest bone broth, go for organic, grass-fed, and finished, and pasteurized bones. These bones often have lower amounts of possible pollutants and higher levels of essential elements. 4. Include nutrient-dense vegetables and herbs. A variety of vegetables and herbs can improve flavor and nutritional value of your bone broth. Excellent options include carrots, onions, garlic, celery, and parsley. 5. Simmer for a longer time. Simmer your bone broth for at least 12 to 24 hours to extract the most nutrients. The bones release of collagen, minerals, and other useful substances is made possible by its lengthy cooking process. 6. Consume foods high in collagen. In addition to bone broth, your diet should also include additional foods high in collagen. For example, organ meats, fish, poultry, and eggs are all natural suppliers of collagen and other necessary nutrients. 7. Combine bone broth with a balanced diet. While bone broth offers various health benefits, it's important to consume it as part of a well-rounded diet. Ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients from different food sources. 8. Put gut health first. By replenishing the lining of your digestive tract, the gelatin in bone broth helps enhance gut health. A healthy gut flora and improved digestion may be aided by including bone broth in your diet. 9. Support joint health. By giving cartilage and connective tissues the necessary building blocks, collagen and other substances found in bone broth may support joint health. If you feel joint pain, think about incorporating bone broth in your daily regimen. 10. Speak with a healthcare expert. It's crucial to speak with a healthcare expert before making any dietary modifications or health-related decisions. They can give you individualized guidance and make sure bone broth is compatible with your overall health strategy. And there you have it, folks. The science behind bone broth, collagen, protein, peptides, and fasting. There is no doubting the potential advantages that bone broth may provide, whether you drink it to increase collagen or to include it in your fasting regimen. Remember that these health tips are general guidelines and individual needs may vary. It's always a good idea to seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian because they can customize a strategy to your specific health goals. Moreover, before making any major adjustments to your diet or fasting schedule, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for more exciting content if you like this video. Keep in mind that knowledge is power, and you now have the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions regarding your health. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.